Okay, and what you can see here is that every single week I am earning hundreds of dollars in affiliate commissions, and this is just on one platform. You can see the new current week's just started, but last week I earned $618 just from this platform. The week before, $499. The week before that, $1,000 in a week. The week before that, $523. And then if we scroll down, you can see it last month I actually generated over $9,000 in affiliate sales, and this month so far, which we're only the 20th, I generated over $4,515 in affiliate sales. And it's actually not that hard to do when you Hello, my name is Marty Englander, and I create YouTube videos to help people stop spending so much money on software, so much money on advertising firms, so much money on paying other people to do really simple tasks for your business or for you, which can ultimately be automated. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing non-jargon videos and tutorials all about how you can become a virtual DIYer, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. So we're going to continue with learning affiliate marketing in 2021, and in this video you're going to learn how to actually pick affiliate products which are related to your niche. Now, if you've not watched my other videos in this series, go ahead and leave a comment below and I will go ahead and send you the links, or you can just go onto my channel, look at the playlist and have a watch. It's completely up to you. Before we jump over to my screen, if you can spare 1 second to scroll up just below my video and hit the like button, it will be hugely appreciated. So with that being said, let's jump over to my screen and see how you can pick affiliate products properly. Okay, so if you've done all the previous stuff that we spoke about in the previous videos, we're now up to the bit where we are starting to look for products, okay? And the problem with this area is that there is no true right or wrong. Now, obviously you want to find really profitable products, but ultimately you're not going to know that until you start promoting them and seeing what sort of response you're getting. Okay, there's certain things that you can do when you are analyzing whether or not a product is profitable, which is number one, how much money is in your pockets, from that product. But another way is if you're getting lots of clicks and views and stuff like that, but you're not getting any conversions, then it basically means that product doesn't have a strong enough conversion page. So you have a choice, which is either move on to another product, or you can contact the software company, tell them what's going on with your product, tell them what's going on, and they may revamp it, even work with you to rebuild it. Or you can make your sales videos and your content so unbelievably strong that they won't care what the sales page looks like, they will just want the product. A lot of the time, the core selling is going to be down to you, and if you make a strong enough case and you pinpoint those emotions strong enough, then sometimes the sales page really isn't that big of a problem, okay, despite what a lot of people say. When we're looking for products, ideally what you want to do is you want to find 2 to 4 products which have affiliate programs and they are related in your niche. And the reason we want to do that is because as affiliate marketers, the money is in the database, but we don't always, and most of the time, we don't always capture the customer's email address or contact information. That's captured by the softwares we're promoting, okay? So unless they specifically subscribe to your, your opt-in forms or landing pages or then it becomes really difficult to keep on earning from that customer, which means that you are building your list is going to be a little bit slower if you're not specifically trying to build your list, okay? So you want to get the most out of every single customer, and when you do get that email address from that customer, you can then start email marketing to them or presenting other products to them which are very closely related to what they already bought, okay? So if they're already going to buy something closely related, the chances are they're going to buy something else which is related to that as well, okay? Which means that you have 2 to 4 products that you can sell to them, okay? So another thing is that if you're promoting through YouTube, which this is the way this series is going, you can create videos about different products which will help you with content creation, and then you've got 4 different products that they can choose from as well. So having a variety of products is pretty important, and it also helps you focus on converting products versus the products that aren't converting. You don't just want to find random products, you want to find products which complement each other, okay? Now, a really important thing is making sure that each of these products complement each other. Now, as an affiliate marketer, we have so much choice, okay? Because it's not like traditional brick and mortar businesses where, you know, we need to create the product, you know, and manage everything. We don't. All we need to do is decide on the product from all the products online. And there's plenty of affiliate platforms where they have like marketplace of stuff. So think of Amazon just for affiliate products, and you don't buy the affiliate, well, you can buy the affiliate products, but you don't buy the affiliate products, but they're showing you all the affiliate products that you can promote and earn a commission. So a platform that I always use, ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a marketplace of products where people like me can come and choose products. Just so you can see, you know, and proof of earnings, if I just quickly refresh my page, you can see that every single week, and this is from completely organic traffic, I am not spending a penny on earning these sort of monies. The only thing I'm spending is my time, okay? And to be honest, it's not really that much time that I'm spending on it. So this is just one of the many platforms that I'm part of where I'm earning commissions almost every single day. And you're going to want to, once you start learning the ropes and you start generating a bit of money from affiliate marketing, joining other platforms to get access to other products. And like today, at the moment, this particular account on ClickBank is having a bit of a dry spell. So you can see that on January the 19th, today's the 20th, I didn't earn anything yesterday, but I did on another platform. And then on January 20th, again, I didn't have, well, it's only 20 to 12 at the moment, so I've not earned anything. But even if I don't, I've already earned on other platforms. And that's because I have lots of that's because over the past 2 years, I've been growing a network of digital assets that's generating traffic. So, you know, one day I may earn on that one whilst the other's having a dry spell. Some days are great and they all earn together, you know, and that's just the way it works when you're diversifying things, okay? I was always taught in business, and I was actually taught this by my father, that in business, you if you think of a structure of a building, you know, you've got lots of pillars or woodwork supporting it, and you've got one main pillar. So that one main pillar might be a bulk sum of your income, but then you've got lots of support around that pillar as well. And that's kind of how you want to be structuring a business anyway, because if one of those pillars collapse, the whole thing doesn't tumble. You've got lots of other pillars, and that's exactly what I do, which is why you also want a few products and not just one, because in affiliate marketing, sometimes you get unethical firms that will just cut you off. Sometimes they skim items, you know, and it's really no different to what even running a physical business is and having clients. Sometimes they pay, sometimes they don't. It's just the game, okay? And when you diversify and have lots of products, guess what? It's not going to be as big of a hit if one of these affiliate companies don't pay you, which obviously you want to chase, and it's going to be very frustrating. But I know if I don't earn money on this for the next month, I'm still okay, because I've got around about 8 to 10 other digital assets which are bringing in daily income as well, okay? But you don't need to worry about that to start off with. Just focus on getting one thing up and going. Once you've got that thing up and going, replicate what you've done there with other things, and boom, there you have it, okay? The way I like to do things is I like to build up round about $20 to $50 per day on every single digital asset that I'm trying to promote before I move on. And I usually do that once that product's generated $20 plus per day for 30 days straight. That's when I start moving on to building another digital assets, okay? This way, if I've got 10 assets generating at least $20 per digital assets, well, that's $200 a day, okay? Let's go over to the marketplace. and I'm just going to, let me just zoom out. Okay, so this is the marketplace, and over to the left you've got all of these categories. So let's say that your niche is in home and garden. You would select home and garden, and you would see that all of these new listings are, what are companies that have created a digital product or physical product. They've created all the funnels and everything, and the only thing that you need to do is drive traffic, which we're going to focus on later on in another video. But this is all you need to do. You need to just come over here and you would look and say, hey, which one of these do I think I could promote? Now, if we change this to gravity, this is how many people are actually making money. So when you've got a higher gravity, like 234, that basically tells you that lots and lots of people are making money with this particular product. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in just so you can see that. Okay. So you can see that this particular product, Ted's Woodworking, which has got lots and lots of people promoting, lots and lots of people are earning an average of $63 per conversion. And this product also gives you a reoccurring income around of an average of $5 per month, which isn't a lot, but that's just an average. Okay, it could be more depending on the upsells. Now, I've seen this product on ClickBank for a long time, and it's been somewhat in the top 3 best products to promote on ClickBank. Now, a lot of marketers actually say that you want to kind of stay away from the highest performing products on ClickBank because of the competition. But here's the thing, is that number one, if they're already proving to be profitable, then they're profitable. So that's one less worry. What you need to focus on, and what I teach a lot of the time, is staying focused and the angle that you're going to be promoting this. And with, let's say, a woodworking sort of product like this, sometimes the best way to do it is actually buy the product and then start documenting your success with the product or what you've learned and that becomes quite fun doing that. So this is woodworking. So I have actually purchased this because, like I said in my niche video, I want to learn more and more DIY stuff. So I actually purchased this, and all the documents and everything, there's tons of stuff for me to learn, and it seems well planned out. It's just I've just not gotten around to actually acting on it. Okay, a lot of people promoting this, I don't know how they're promoting it, but one thing I'm pretty sure of is that most people won't document their success. And the DIY niche at the moment, especially on YouTube, is massive. If you document how you're doing everything with this sort of product, that could be a really great and passive way of earning. Okay, so you would perhaps create 10 videos of how you're doing things, and then at the end of the video you would say, oh, and by the way, I'm going to list what I've done in this video on a website, so you can download the plans or something like that. And on that website you would maybe have a little banner or a link saying this is the course I've taken to learn all of this, and you'll link it to this affiliate product. Okay, so depending on the angle, because remember, you've not actually sold them anything, or you're not even trying to sell them anything, you're showing them, hey look, I bought this product and I'm succeeding with this product, and you're showing proof of that. So that's what I mean when I'm talking about angles and the angle. So I don't think the competition, and to be honest, it's never stopped me from earning. It doesn't matter how many people are promoting the product. You don't know how they're promoting it. They could be doing paid advertising. They could be doing all sorts of things. They could just be promoting it to their existing email list. But either way, sometimes picking top performing products is a good way to go, as long as you've got a good angle for it. But of course, you don't really know how good the angle is until you start doing. So the faster you choose your product and the faster you start producing content and staying consistent with it, the faster you're going to learn whether or not it's worth it in the long run. So if we scroll down, brain training for dogs. Now again, this is the sort of thing that I would do a case study with. So if you're in the dog niche, why not use this? I've got a dog, I've got a miniature cockapoo, and there's certainly some the odd behavioral problem here and there. So I can very easily start a case study about this and document my progress, go through the training, show how to do it. Oh, and by the way, this is what I'm using to learn these techniques. Okay. If we scroll down, you've got my shed plans. And again, this is, I think, if we actually open it up. Okay, so this is all about, you know, sheds and how to do one. And again, I've just moved house. I've just relocated. I've got a new house, and I'm going to need a shed in the garden. So again, do I want to cough out lots of money, or do I want to build my own? So you're going to have people in a very similar situation who just want to build their own shed. Ultimately, you'd come to a site like this, and if you do want more affiliate platforms and stuff like that, I've left a link in the description below that will take you to my blog page, and it's got a whole list of all the affiliate platforms that I'm part of and I currently earn. So I'm not going to list the ones that I'm just generally part of, I'm only going to list the ones that I'm earning on, so you can have a look and browse through. But literally all you would do when you're picking your products is, you know, don't really worry about the gravity scores and stuff like that. You want to make sure the products you're earning at least $20 plus per conversion. Ideally, you want to make sure that they've got upsells, which they probably do, because you can actually get a $125 sale with a highly optimized funnel. Ideally, if they're proven and tested, that would be a good thing as well. Come over to here, click promote, and you'll have a unique name, generate hot link, copy that, okay, and paste that into Google, and there you have it. And that's your, if someone purchases it, you would earn a commission just like that, which would then result in you seeing a sale like that. Your homework for today is going through each of these offers, just exploring in your niche these sort of offers, and instead of saying, you know, instead of thinking, oh, am I going to be able to earn from this, say to yourself, well, what would be a good angle to promote this product? Okay, so you know, again, with learning woodworking skills, you know, what would be the angle? What would be something that people are interested in? What would you be interested if you were going to start learning that? And make an Excel sheet or write down in a Word document the offer and then all the angles. And the best way to write the angle is not to write a whole paragraph about it, but create the pretend that you're making a video about it and create the title of that video, because video titles, they need to tell you everything about the video in one line, okay, or news articles or stuff like that. So go ahead, go through ClickBank, I'll leave a link in the description below for you, or go through affiliate networks, or just look at products online if they've, and type in affiliate product, type in your niche and then affiliate programs, and go through it and look at the angles. What is the angle that you can make, or you can produce content about this particular product? I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.